So here's how you can change the birthday of your child on the iPad. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So first of all, you can just grab the iPad and check out the main settings app, where at the top of the list you can see your profile, or the person's using it profile. You can get inside, and in there you can manage some information. So you can tap on the personal information, where it might take a minute, I mean not even a minute, but like some time to load it up. But inside of that section, you'll be able to see and browse all of the personal information about that particular account. So this is where you can see it for, like your name, the birthday, so you can change it like this. But you can also see the age range for apps, right? So you can set it up like this, and, you can get through it, update the birthday, and, kind of like make sure that only age appropriate experiences are going to be available on the iPad. That is especially useful if you are using it or set up the iPad for like someone else, generally for your kid, right? So that might be very useful. Keep in mind, however, that you can also just go to that Apple account specifically and just use the Safari web browser. Like you can literally just look up the iCloud.com, or you can go to the account.apple.com. You would skip one step, so go to, again, account.apple.com, where you can sign in with that particular Apple account as well, and there you'll be able to update your birthday as well. So that is something that you can do. Definitely let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. Thanks a lot for watching. In case of any questions, let me know about those below. Thanks a lot again, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.